Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. It is Stock Lock Sunday once again, and I have this beautiful Schlage KIK cylinder, which I received from Mur-Lock. There's your bitting, pretty flat, but a nice sort of gatekeeper in the front and a little higher in the back, so it makes a little bit of a challenge. It's always fun to pick these though. We're going to start ourselves out with a 50 thousandths pry bar. And let's see, the battleship, of course, the Peterson Gem in 25 thousandths. So let's get you guys a little closer and start to picking. I am so used to, let me see if I can get you guys a better angle. Alrighty, yeah, I'm so used to picking these challenge locks and these locks with security pins that I actually kind of lost my touch for these sort of standard pin scenarios. It's very, very subtle. You don't get the loud clicks unless you really crank down on the tension, and that often doing that actually makes it a harder pick. But so there's kind of a balance of tension, just enough that you get the clicks, like I started with that one back on 4, I think it was. And there's kind of I had a click on 5. Now, those of you that are still learning your tension, what I just did there was I felt I might have overset, and I relaxed my tension just subtly. And that caused a pin to drop, and then of course just now I was able to finish the open. So if you do have your overset pins, just a slight drop on the tension is going to get you out of there. Let us zoom back so that this remains in view and move on to the gutting. This one's an interesting one. I've never actually seen this. I've seen the Schlage pin, of course. You've seen me open those things, but I've never seen that ring on the inside, and I'm not really sure what I'm expecting that to be. But must be a form of actuator. So either way, we've got that. Let's get this pin and the matching spring out. And you guys know the word. Shim. Got to get that shim in place before we do what we just started to do. Pushing that thing out. Follower time. And that should do. There's our pins. Take that shim out while we're here. Alrighty, and let's take a look at the config. Pin 1, 2, 3. These are very long pins. A lot of brass there. 4 and 5. Up into the Bible. And let's see what's going on up there. Again, I didn't feel any signs of any kind of special pins up there, so I am not surprised that we're finding standards in all cases. I think I am surprised that I can't keep the darn thing on camera. Oops. Alrighty. Head around to the back. Okay, 6 unoccupied. No surprise there. There's 5. Standard pin. And another standard pin. So, all in all, there is your beautiful probably a very good candidate for a challenge lock. There you go for your Stock Lock Sunday. Thank you everybody for joining me. That was our Schlage 5-pin sent to us by our friend Mur-Lock. There's your key. Thanks everybody for joining me. We'll see you again soon.